AQShda ayol kishi o'z erini o'ldirish uchun killer yollamoqchi bo'ldi. Buni bilib qolgan AQSh politsiyasi yong'inda ham killer rolini o'ynab beradi va ayol kishiga buyurtmani bajarilganligini aytib o'tishadi. Videoda esa AQSh politsiyasi ayol kishiga sizning turmush o'rtog'ingiz noma'lum kishilar tomonidan o'ldirib ketildi deb aytmoqda. Ayol kishini qanchalik rolga kirayotganligiga bir e'tibor bering. U o'zini erini sevadigan vafodor ayol sifatida ko'rsatishga harakat qilmoqda. Ayol kishining eri tirik, uning o'zi esa politsiya tomonidan hibsga olingan.
Report of a disturbance at your house and there were shots fired. Is your husband Michael? Okay, I'm sorry to tell you, ma'am, he's been killed. He's been killed, man. I'm sorry.
He's not.
Listen.
No.
Try to calm down. Listen, right now we need to get you to the station. We need to get you to our police station. I can't.
Kanalimga obuna bo'ling. Biz bilan siz yanada xavfsiz bo'lasiz.